The Pontberry Martini. Not sure about you lot, but the name Pontberry reminds me of some depressing British seaside town where one of your parents' friends lived in the late 80s, where it's always raining and gloomy, and its main attractions are some docks, a paint factory, and an unapprehended serial killer. But be rest assured, this cocktail recipe is going to be far from gloomy. The ingredient lineup. This is one of those simple 3-ingredient cocktails. We've got vodka, Creme Du Mure, and cranberry juice, and the punnet of blackberries to the side is for our garnish. Let's kick off the proceedings by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of vodka to our shaker. We add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of cranberry juice. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of our Creme Du Mure. Add ice to our shaker and then shake this for 10 to 13 seconds. The history of this cocktail. This was a creation of Dick Bradsell, who was also the inventor of the Espresso Martini and the Bramble. It was for an opening of a boutique along Pont Street in London in the late 1990s. Then we're going to double strain into that marvel of modern engineering, which is the martini glass. And yes, I'm being sarcastic. Then spear 3 blackberries, like a school javelin accident, or our garnish. I could be a bit more OCD-ish about this, but it looks decent enough. Okay, the taste test. This does taste really interesting. I don't mean that in a sarcastic British way. It tastes a bit like a strong, underdiluted Ribena, but then all of a sudden the cranberry balances it, and it sorts out the sweetness in kind of a pleasant way. But to be honest with you, I would prefer to try this with, say, 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, or say using lemon flavoured vodka. But yeah, it's not too bad.